experience the miracle of a baby growing in the womb. When the man ejaculates inside the female body, up to 500 million sperm travel, but only one of them will survive the long and difficult journey to enter the egg. The sperm and egg fuse. A new life arises and the zygote is formed. This is 0 hour. 4 hours later, the zygote divides into 2 exact cells. On 5th day, this group moves to the environment that will protect it and will see it grow for the next 40 weeks. Week 5. The little being's blood vessels develop and the extraordinary happens. His heart begins to beat. He can now turn his little head and tiny hands and feet appear. He is as small as a sesame seed. Week 9. He can stretch and move. His mother might not feel it, but he senses all his emotions. His organs and brain are developing. Week 12. His skin is thin, almost transparent. His organs begin to function. It can spin, float and push. It is only about 8 centimeters long, but it is fully formed. Week 16. The baby is now about 11 centimeters from head to hip. His head is straighter, and although his eyelids are closed, his eyes move. Week 20. Now the baby sucks his thumb, touches his face, and his movements are faster. It measures about 25 centimeters from its head to its toes. He now swallows more liquid from the bag he's in, which helps his digestive system start working. Week 24. He continues to perfect the functioning of his organs, such as his lungs and brain. He can now hear the noises from outside, as well as the voices of his mother and the people waiting for him. Week 28. He is developing 1 billion of neurons in his little brain. The baby can now open his eyes and distinguish light. His skeleton hardens little by little, and he continues to gain weight and get stronger for the big. Some babies already have hair, as well as fine hair all over their bodies. His skin is getting soft and smooth. The baby occupies all the space in the womb. Week 36. The baby measures 48 centimeters and weighs approximately 2 kilos 800 grams. Most likely he is already positioned head down, which is the birth position. Week 40. The baby weighs about 3 kilos 200 grams, measures about 51 centimeters and could be born this week. Or enjoy the peace of the womb until week 42. So you should not worry. Welcome to the world, baby. Share this video with all the mummies you know. If you have the joy of still having your mother, tag her in the comments and let's celebrate the miracle of life.